Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure power is the issue. Plug the Solo 3 into a reliable USB power source and leave it for 30 minutes. The red light often signals low battery. Once charging, remove any phone case that might block pairing and move away from other Bluetooth devices so signals won't collide. Make sure you're using the original Lightning cable or a good replacement. Bad cables cause inconsistent charging and persistent red indicators. Now proceed to reset and pairing steps. Once charged, reset the Solo 3 to clear faults. Hold the power button for about 10 seconds until the LED blinks. This forces a factory-style reset and clears hung states that show a red light. Next, on your phone or laptop, forget the Solo 3 in Bluetooth settings so old pair data won't interfere. After resetting, press the power briefly to enter pairing. You should see a white blink pattern. If pairing doesn't start, repeat the reset once more and try a different device. Once paired, check the LED. A steady green or white blink indicates normal operation. Play audio to confirm sound quality. If everything works, keep the Solo 3 charged and update firmware through the Beats app when prompted. Updates can fix persistent LED bugs. If the red light stays on despite charging, try another known good Lightning cable and a different USB port. Damaged cables or ports are common culprits. If none of these steps clear the red light, contact Beats support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.